So in this video, we're going to talk about decision trees. Okay, let's talk about decision trees and let's see how decision trees actually work theoretically. I'm not going to do any kind of coding for now, or no mathematics going to be covered. I'm just going to give you a very theoretical understanding of how actually the decision trees work without any mathematics and without any coding. So let's talk about that. So we have something known as decision trees. Okay, decision and I'll say trees. Okay, decision trees. So let's talk about it. So first of all, I must tell you that decision trees are let me give you the basic definition later on. So let's solve a problem here. Let's solve a problem, and the problem is, let's say we are having a data set which is having two main attributes, which is gender and let's say app, and we want to make a recommendation system. Okay, we want to make a recommendation system and we want to recommend app to the users on the Google Play Store. Okay, we want to recommend app to the users of the Google Play Store. So now what happens is, this is gender, and let's say gender is female, let's say, and we are having female, her age is 15. Again, there is a female, her age is 25. And again there is a male this time, and we are having the age 32 of him, and we are having the female, let's say again, and her age is 40 years, and her again a male is there, his age is 12, sorry, and again a male is there whose age is 14. Okay, and based on this we are having an app. Okay, this is the previous data. So when the female was 15 years old, she downloaded an app called PUBG, let's say. Okay, and this person has downloaded, with a female of 25 years of age, has downloaded WhatsApp, let's say. Okay, then there's a male at 32 years of age who has downloaded, let's say Instagram. Okay, let's say Instagram. And again, when a female is at 40 years of age, she downloaded WhatsApp. Okay, she downloaded WhatsApp. And when the male is 12 years of age, he downloaded what? Let's say PUBG. Okay, and again the male at 14 years of age has downloaded PUBG. So this is the data set we have. This is the whole data set we have to work on and to make the recommendation system. Okay, to make the recommendation system, this is the data set that we can have for now. Okay, now I wanted to answer one thing. That what do you think? Out of these two attributes, these are the two attributes. Out of these two attributes, which is the gender and the age, which one is important initially for recommending app to the user, to the new user? Let's say a new user come. So on what basis we would be able to recommend the app on it? Which one is important? Tell me. You can tell yourself or write somewhere. Okay, so if we try to see that the age of a particular person is more effective than gender initially, why? Because if you focus here, that we are having female at 15 years of age, male at 12 years of age, and male at 14 years of age, they have all downloaded PUBG. That means when a person is less than 20 years of age, he is downloading PUBG for it. Okay, so we will say that when a new person come, if his age is less than 20, okay, if his age is less than 20, we are going to recommend him PUBG for it. Okay, and if his age is let me remove this first of all. Okay, let's say if his age is there, okay, we'll first consider age, and if his age is less than 20, we are going to recommend PUBG to him. This is for sure. Okay, and if his age is greater than 20, then we are going to do something, that then we have to see the other attributes, because on the basis of age we know that less than 20 years of age is going to download PUBG. So we are going to recommend, whenever a new user come, we are going to recommend that user who is less than age of 20, we are going to recommend that user PUBG application. And if the age is greater than 20, then we are going to consider the second attribute, which is male and female, which is gender. So we'll see, if we focus again, that we'll see if that female is there. Let's see all the females. The females are downloading PUBG, WhatsApp and WhatsApp. And also for PUBG, WhatsApp, but PUBG has gone. So the females, which is above 25, they are downloaded WhatsApp. And the male has downloaded which is Instagram. So we can say if the person is greater than 20 and she is female, we are going to recommend her the WhatsApp. Okay, we are going to recommend her the WhatsApp. And if the age is greater than 20 and he's male, we are going to recommend the Instagram. Let me tell you again what just happened here. What happened is, we first saw that age is the primary responsible for recommending the apps. That means if the age is less than 20, we noticed that if the age is less than 20, that person is downloading PUBG most of the time. According to this data, that person is downloading PUBG. But if the age is greater than 20, then we have two options, which is WhatsApp and Instagram. And if we focus that all the females at the above age 20, according to this data set, is downloading WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see here, you can see female is downloaded WhatsApp. Our female has again downloaded WhatsApp. According to this data I'm talking about. Again, the results will change when the data will change, but to understand you. And the male is downloading Instagram. Okay, so that is why if greater than 20, if she's female, we are going to recommend WhatsApp. And if the person is male, we are going to recommend Instagram. So these are the decision trees. So that is how the decision trees actually work. Okay, but this is just a theoretical understanding, and I must tell you that once we'll be implementing the algorithm and the mathematical part, remember this concept. Just keep in mind that this concept exists, and we are going to use this in our explanation. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. We are going to talk about more